what's up? It's your girl Done Now, and today's video I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this Dole Crafted blend and mix it up with some collagen, and bam! I'm going to come back with something not only nutritious but delicious. See you in a bit. This thing is the bomb. This is really good.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Alright guys, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. Bam bam! So, you know, I'm all about sneaking in a little bit of collagen into my diet, you know? And how am I gonna make this happen? Just by throwing it in everything I eat, drink, snack on, just give myself a little something, something. Today, I'm trying out this Dole Crafted Smoothie Blend, and I'm gonna take one pack, and I'm gonna add some collagen to it. Now, before I even put this in my blender, one thing about this Dole Crafted Blend that I don't like, and it's the refreshing lime inside there. And I've tried this before, and it gave my smoothie a terrible taste. So what I'm gonna do this time around, before I blend this, I am going to remove the lime. You see that? I'm gonna take that out. You can use juice, almond milk, coconut milk, whatever you want to use. I'm gonna use just regular milk, and truthfully, the reason why I'm using, you know, 1 cup regular milk is because that's all I have on hand. So really, it's whatever you have on hand. You're just gonna use that. And I'm gonna drop that in my blender. I'm gonna drop a tablespoon of my collagen. Guys, you know I love Neocell and, you know, Super Collagen, this one right here. But I purchased this other one, this RX Select, about last week, and I'm just trying to, you know, use it all up before I replace my Neocell, but I really love this brand right here. And so I'm gonna drop in 1 scoop. Oh. And the last time I had this blend, this Dole Crafted blend, it was not as sweet as I would have wanted it to be. And you know, I'm gonna drop some honey inside. Nothing's wrong with honey, you know guys? Honey is good for your body. It's, yeah. Drop a little bit of honey inside. And now, let's drop this in. Yes. What a beautiful color all around, right? Look at that. Yes. Oh my goodness. Let me adjust my camera. Oh my goodness. This thing is the bomb. This is really good. And guys, check out my previous video that I did when I made the Dole Crafted blend, and my response. Just with a few minor tweaks, I turned a 0 into a hero. Just by going ahead and giving myself a scoop of that collagen, I upped the healthy nutritional value of this smoothie. This is so yummy. You guys just don't know. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah! Until